Good morning. It's Wednesday, June 19th, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Radar checks mainly clear across the state. A few light showers in extreme South Georgia earlier this morning, but as of 7:12, no reflectivity popping up on radar. We do have a little bit more cloud cover, especially in the western part of the state as we get started this morning, but that's going to break up and bring a partly sunny day across most of Georgia, which will warm us up quite a bit. Let's take a look at our temperatures. Oh, I want to show you one other thing before we do that. Let me put the radar back in motion again. And we see those showers moving in from the Atlantic Ocean from east to west. So there's a reason for that, and that's going to impact our weather over the next couple of days and heading into the weekend. And we'll talk about that. Let's take a look at those temperatures right quick. We're just checking in the mid-60s in parts of North Georgia. Some low to mid-70s across the rest of the state. Already 81 in Brunswick. All right, let's take a look at a big picture now and zoom way out and show you what's going on out there in the Atlantic Ocean and what's going to impact us. First of all, we have in the center of the screen a little tropical disturbance there. That looks like that's not going to turn into a tropical storm. Very, very slim chance. But that is going to continue to move our direction. Remember that east to west flow, that's going to continue to push in, and that's because up to the north, there's our Bermuda high. It's up pretty far north, but it's a very, very strong high, and that's what's going to keep that storm system continuing to push toward the west and just really send it right into South Georgia. So again, not looking at the risk of a tropical cyclone, tropical storm, or hurricane by any means. Just going to look at increasing clouds, a little bit of a breeze as we head into the weekend, and then our rain chance will increase as well. So that's the yellow X there, that little cloud deck, little disturbance. It's going to continue to move in fairly quickly, and then we have potential tropical cyclone 1 out in the Gulf of Mexico. That will also not impact us at all. That's going to be moving to the west into the Mexican coast, probably near Brownsville as far north. So that's going to bring some showers into Texas, but that's not going to hook around and head back up toward our direction by any means. Let's take a look at our modeling as we move through the day today. Watch those showers move in from the Atlantic, heading in toward the Georgia coastline. Savannah seeing those showers around the mid-morning hours, and even pushing in toward Statesboro, Waynesboro as we head into the early afternoon hours. And then a few thunderstorms could form after that later on this afternoon as we heat up. So mainly our thunderstorm activity will be in South Georgia today. Most of us will not see rain, but a few of us will. So just know that's how it works here in the summertime. And again, with all that onshore flow coming in from the Atlantic, that's going to continue to feed that moisture to help these storms develop. So as we move through the evening hours and late tonight, looking at a line of some showers, thunderstorms moving in toward the Georgia coastline. That's going to be from St. Mary's, Brunswick, and Savannah could see a few more storms as well. And then as we move through the day tomorrow, just a mix of sun and clouds. That humidity is really going to be building up in South Georgia, so that's not going to be pleasant at all, and the wind also not going to help us out. So today's going to be a little breezy across the state. Tomorrow, not so much, and it'll be very warm and humid across Georgia. Continue through tomorrow afternoon. Just looking at a few of those scattered showers, mainly in the southern part of the state. And then we start getting a little closer as we head toward, this is going to be 2 a.m. Friday morning. That's the tropical disturbance that we were looking at out there, that yellow X we're looking at earlier. That's the rain from that, continuing to push in closer toward the Georgia coastline. So we'll start experiencing that through the day on Friday and through the weekend as well. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from Northwest Georgia to Southeast Georgia.